Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to run ads in your network marketing business. Hi, I'm Sandra Connor, the Lady Marketing Ninja, and here on this channel we're dedicated to helping you become marketing ninjas also. So let's get started. Let's go right to my little pad here, and I'm going to draw it out for you. So okay, you're using ads in your network marketing business. So this is your ad. And then your ad is running them to a lead magnet. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, what's a lead magnet? Well, that is whatever you're giving away for free. This is your free webinar or your free ebook or your free, list of templates or whatever you're doing. The ad is sending them to this lead magnet. They're going to see this page and you're going to offer them something of value to them. And when they get that, they're going to give you their email address at that point. So then where do they go after they've gotten that information? Well, then the next step, I send them directly to my quiz. Now, you don't have to do this step. This is just a step that I'm doing. So that actually, that's actually my lead magnet is my quiz. And then I send them to a webinar. And on the webinar, webinars can be any length of time that you want to be. Usually they're an hour. Some can go longer than an hour, and it just depends on the type of webinar that you're doing. Some can be called a workshop. It's technically still a webinar, but they can be 3 hours, and you can charge for those. So, okay, you've got your ad, you're sending them to your lead magnet. Your network marketing company doesn't care because this is how you're filtering out the people. This is how you're only getting the people that are interested in your business, because this lead magnet is something that's attractive to only network marketers. It's teaching them, the 3 best ways to run ads, or teaching them the 3 best ways to run their business, teaching them your system. What are you doing in your business that is causing you to succeed? And then you send them to your next page. So this can either be a webinar or it can be, I'm going to put / bridge page. So this is your bridge page. This is the page that's in between your opt-in page and your company's network marketing page. So the bridge page is designed to sell them on joining your company, giving them some information. So you can either create it like a natural, normal sales page, and then when they say, yes, I want to join, they click the button to join on your sales page, it takes them automatically to your network marketing page, your page specifically for you that they can sign up on. So again, this is the bridge page. And then the next page is your MLM page. If I can get it down level. This is your company network marketing page. And now your network marketing company didn't see how you got them here. So you can say anything you want to on this page because you're not talking about your business. You're not talking about your business at all. Your ad is not talking about your business. Your ad is leading them to your lead magnet. For me, it's a quiz. So they go from the ad to the quiz. The quiz tells them what is your number one silent network marketing killer. So what's killing your network marketing business? They take my quiz, they get an outcome, and then the outcome report gives them information that leads them to additional free training. And the additional free training is in the form of my webinar. You don't have to do this part. You can just make it a normal sales page, a long form sales letter, a normal sales page. But we're calling it the bridge page because, again, this is educating your prospect on your network marketing business. And then if you've done your job correctly, then they're going to say, yes, I really want to join your team. I want to join that. And then boom, that takes them directly to the MLM page. And that way you're not getting the hand slapped. You're not following the guidelines. You're breaking the rules of network marketing because you're running your ad to your lead magnet that is then sending them to the sales page. And then after they've got past this lead magnet page, nobody's going to look to see what you're talking about here. So your company is probably just going to look at this first page. So make sure you don't mention anything about joining your MLM on your lead magnet page. Do something that's educating your prospect. And again, make it relevant to network marketing. That weeds out all the people that are not interested in network marketing. You never have to have that conversation again of, is this a pyramid scheme? And you never have to explain network marketing to them again, because you're only getting qualified leads on your email list. Then you can take them to your bridge page and then directly to your MLM page. And that's it. Easy peasy. So now I need you to click the link below and go take my quiz. Find out what is your number one silent network marketing killer. And that's going to unlock additional free training for you. And then you can get to my webinar. Take it, if for no other reason, just to see my sales process. Let's go through, click the link, go take my quiz, get your results, give me your email address, get your results, and then you'll get additional free training. You're going to get a full report explaining what the results of your quiz mean and what you need to do next. So take advantage of this free training. Thanks, and I'll see you tomorrow.